Welcome back to another exciting mattress comparison video. I'm Dustin from Sleep Air, and today we are going to discuss two mattresses from the same brand, which is going to be from Brooklyn Bedding. One is going to be the Spartan Hybrid, and the other one is going to be the Brooklyn Bedding Sedona Deluxe Hybrid Mattress. And we're going to discuss not only the similarities, but the differences within these mattresses. The important thing to know here is that they're both from the same brand, so they're both going to have the exact same 120-night trial period. They're both going to have the same 10-year warranty. Both mattresses are going to be that of a Euro top inner spring design. Each one of them are going to be about 13.5 to 14 inches in overall height, and then they're both going to be about 6 layers of material that we're going to delve into here shortly. The other main aspect that you need to know is that while the Sedona only comes in currently a medium to medium soft feel for its mattress, the Spartan actually comes in 3 different firmnesses, both a soft, a medium, and a firm. The first mattress we're actually going to talk about right here is going to be the Brooklyn Bedding Spartan mattress. As I mentioned before, this one's going to be a 6-layer inner spring mattress, and by Brooklyn Bedding is their #1 mattress for the most athletic individuals. And those 6 layers are going to be its Smart Performance cover, followed by its 1.5 inch of copper flex foam, 2 inches of soft Premier memory foam, 1 inch of overall gel swirl memory foam, goes into their 8-inch inner spring coil system, along with a 0.75-inch foam base material. The first thing we're going to discuss, of course, is the Smart Performance fabric. It's going to be its elite performance to top utilized infrared technology that transfers your body heat into energy to enhance the overall body recovery while you sleep, to promote a better quality aspect throughout the night. The second layer is going to be the 1.5-inch copper infusement foam. That copper infused foam is supposed to draw excess heat away from the body to help maintain an optimal comfort for each individual sleeper and promote the antibacterial sleeping environment. The third layer down is going to be the 2-inch soft premium memory foam, which is going to offer a cloud-like comfort support feel, providing an immediate response technology that adjusts to your body each time you move, so you can change any position without losing any aspect of your overall sleep. The fourth layer in itself is going to be the 1-inch gel swirl memory foam, which of course is going to be a gel infused memory foam style material. This is going to provide an additional pressure relief for all of those different points, so you can always wake up refreshed and well rested. Finally, we're going to get into layer number 5, which is going to be the 8-inch zone coil core. Now, these individually wrapped coils are going to have up to 132 ascension coils that's going to adapt to your overall body's figure, delivering you support where exactly you need it. And then finally, we're going to delve into the last and 6th layer of the mattress, which is going to be the 0.75-inch base foam. This is going to be a high-density support foam layer that's going to add overall durability and support to the entire mattress while also reinforcing the zoned Ascension X coils. The second mattress we're going to talk about is going to be the Brooklyn Bedding Sedona Elite mattress. This one, just like the Spartan, is going to be a 6-layer inner spring Euro top style design. Those layers are going to be, starting from top to bottom, the Glacotech cooling cover, followed by the 1.5-inch copper infused memory foam material, a 2.5-inch micro wrap coils, followed by a 1.5-inch transition layer of foam, 8-inch ascension coils, and then finally layer number 6 being a 1-inch density support foam system. The Glacotech cooling cover is going to be a cooling fiber infusing into the Glacotech to help maintain a temperature of the body about 88 degrees, allowing you for a cooler and peaceful night's sleep. The second layer is going to be a 1.5-inch copper infused memory foam layer, which is going to be a cooling and anti-microbial top comfort layer that's going to provide the body with cushioning and pressure relief no matter what position you find yourself in. Third layer down is going to be a 2.5-inch micro wrap spring coil system, and it's going to have up to 6,000 coils that allows natural contour to the body to enhance overall airflow, motion isolation, pressure relief to the body. The fourth layer in itself is going to be a 1.5-inch transitional foam layer, and that's going to be a hyper dense foam that provides a gentle transition to match the cooling system of the mattress, making it easier for you to change position without losing any comfort. Finally, layer number 5 is going to be the 8-inch Ascension coils. Similar to the Spartan itself, it's going to have up to 1,032 individually wrapped coils that's going to offer reinforced edge support to the Sedona mattress, along with a 3-zone support area from head to foot for a superior lumbar support no matter what position you find yourself in throughout the night. And then finally, layer number 6 is going to be a 1-inch high-density support foam layer. This is going to be a foam that reinforces, supports, and protects the Ascension coils of the mattress. Now, as I mentioned before, the two main differences between these ones is that the Sedona does come in a medium firmness feel, while the Spartan does come in both a soft, medium, and firm, which meaning no matter where you fall in the overall weight class, there will be a Spartan mattress available to you. Whether you're that of a slender build, being of an athletic individual, somewhere the medium, or maybe you're just a bit more of the heavyweight side with a more bulky self, but you still need that body recovery, we'll go with the firm aspect on that one, should give you all the support you need. But if you tend to sleep hot, probably being in the middle aspect area and in itself in terms of weight class, and especially that of a side sleeper, the Sedona would probably be a little bit better with its overall cooling system. Hey everybody, thank you for watching this latest video. If you're interested in checking out any more of our compare and contrast videos, feel free to do so at any one of the linked videos here around me or below into the comment section. And if you want more up-to-date side-by-side tutorial videos for online bed-in-the-box mattresses from Sleep Air, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to stay up-to-date on our most recent content information. Until next time, I'll see you later.